Welcome to Homework Lib.
Mara's boat leaves the dock at the same time that Meg's boat leaves the dock. Now, let's say this is our dock. Now, Mara's boat travels due east at 12 miles per hour. Meg's boat travels at 24 miles per hour in the direction of 30 degrees east of north. So, just for perspective here, 30 degrees east of north would be 30 degrees off of um, that departure. So that would be a 60-degree angle in that direction, 24 miles per hour. So to the nearest tenth of a mile, how far apart the boats be in a half an hour? Well, in a half an hour at 12 miles per hour, Meg's or Mara's boat will have gone 6 miles. And at 24 miles per hour, um, for a half an hour, Meg's boat will have gone 12 miles. To the nearest tenth of a mile, how far apart are the boats going to be in half an hour? I'll call that X. Well, you can recognize that this is going to be a special right triangle because the leg is 6 due east and 12. If you recognize that, this is going to be the short leg 6 times the square root of 3, and 6 square root 3 to the nearest tenth is about 10.4. However, if not, then you could use um, right triangle trig, and you could say, for instance, what? You could use Pythagorean theorem, right triangle trig, all kinds of things. You could even use the law of sines here. So you got a lot of different opportunities if you followed with right triangle trig or special right triangles. The pattern is we got a short leg, the hypotenuse is twice as long, and the long leg is times square root 3. So recognizing that the short leg and the hypotenuse here were where the hypotenuse was double the short leg is how I knew that this was a special right triangle, a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So I hope that helps.